If you are wondering if we have 3.5mm headphone jack on the Motorola Moto G87, then the answer is unfortunately no. The phone does not have a dedicated headphone jack input. Usually, if there is, then most of the time you can find it at the bottom of the phone. And as you can see here, we only have the USB-C port. And sometimes you can also find it at the top, but in this case you will not be able to find it either. So if you want to use wired headphones, you have to use the USB-C port that we have at the bottom of the phone. So if your wired headphones have USB-C cable, then you can just connect it straight away. But if you have wired headphones with this kind of cable, then you also need a little adapter that looks, for example, like this, which converts, this adapter converts 3.5mm headphone jack input into USB-C cable. So we can connect our wired headphones to the adapter and then we connect it to the phone. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.